How to use Magic Edit on Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so Magic Edit is a super fun AI tool that Canva has. It is for Canva Pro users only. That being said, there's a lot of really cool stuff you could do with it. So you want to click on your image here and then go over here where it says Edit. And under Magic Studio, scroll over and you will see Magic Edit. Now, what this does is you can change any element of this image that you want to, from anything like change the color of this jacket, change the color of Arit's hair, we can change the pillow. Really, the world is your oyster. However, the busier the photo, the more difficult it might be. You may not get the best output. It can be a little bit finicky, so you do have to play around with it. But for this example, we'll go to Click. I find Click generally works better than Brush. With Brush, you have the option of just brushing. We'll work with Jules' jacket here, but with Brush, you have the option of brushing the exact thing that you want to change in Canva. And so we'll start with this as an example, and we'll just say change to a jean jacket. And let's see what we get. So it can sometimes take a little while to give you what you're looking for, but it actually didn't do too bad of a job here. So you get four options. We have this one here, this one, and this one. I actually think this one might look best. So really not too bad. If you don't like any of them, you can always go back and hit cancel and try again. And then let's deselect everything we've selected and go to click. And then if we just click on Jewel here as a whole, you can see it's clicking her entire upper body. So it's not necessarily just her jacket, it's doing everything. So we'll click on her again and let's do the same thing and see if we get something a little bit different. So in this case, you can see it's kind of done something weird with her hair color. So we don't necessarily like that as the click option. So we will cancel this as well, deselect everything. And so in this case, the brush is better. Click works if you can click just the one thing you want to change. So if you just wanted to change this iPad here or this phone or, notebook, laptop, whatever, the pillow, then you can change those things. But if it's giving you just the whole person, it might be a little bit more finicky. So let's try one last example. Why don't we go to Arit's hair? Let's give Arit a new hairdo. See what she would look like as a blonde. Why not? So we're going to select her whole head. And again, you can always pick the brush size right here on the side. So we'll do all of her hair here and we will type change to blonde hair. Generate. And there we go. Now we know what a Arit would look like as a blonde. There's a lot of different things you can do. There's a lot of different options. I do recommend playing around with it, getting some practice and also giving it the right prompts. I think the more specific you can get, the better output you'll probably get as well. But definitely play around. It's a really fun tool. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.